Now, the second round of bilateral matches in the competitions are scheduled to bowl off on Sunday. President of the Barbados Cricket Association, Calvin Hope, stands firm on his criticism of Cricket West Indies, with no regional or international games being played at Kensington Oval in 2026. Speaking on the Mason Guest show recently, Hope dispelled comments made by Cricket West Indies Vice President Azim Bazarat that the board was notified of the decision months in advance.
You were there and you said nothing and all this kind of thing. Now, I am on record consistently raising concern about the allocation of matches to territories who owe Cricket West Indies $7 million and tend to get all the cricket. And that is where I spoke about that. And it continues to happen.
The latest tournament currently happening within the region is the Cricket West Indies Regional 4-Day Championship, where the Caribbean Premier League set to bowl off later this year.